Hi guys, if you guys are new here, my name is Susmit Sankhe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you most interesting feature of the Range Rover. How to use your headlight washer in your Range Rover. Now it's time to take my camera inside and I'll show you how this thing works. So first start the car. You see, now turn both the headlights on. Okay, now you can see two signs, both the headlights are on. So after that, do this 2 times, use your windshield washer and your headlight can also wash with this. So that's it for today. Today I just show you how to use your headlight washer in your Range Rover. See you in the next video. Bye.